everyone, welcome back to Infinity Platter. Today is such a fun episode. I'm here to tell you another fun activity that you can do when you visit Barcelona. When you think of Barcelona, tell me one word that comes to mind. I think it's paella. So when you visit, why just go eat paella at any random restaurant when you can cook it yourself, meet new people, and then eat together? So today we are at Paella Club, where we are going to make 8 different types of paella from people who are visiting Barcelona from all over the world. So let's go inside and meet the owner and let's get cooking.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get the party started. As I said a little while ago, my name is Alex. Over here we have John and we have Maria Laura. Later they will introduce themselves, okay? So there you go, take a look to these guys, because over here we have meat paella, vegetarian paella over here, seafood paella here, and seafood paella with the black rice, with the squid ink, okay? At the end, you're gonna try all the paellas. That is why it's very important to follow the rule number 1 of the Paella Club. Ronak, what was the rule number 3?
Don't burn the paella.
Yes. There you go, guys. Because when you sit down in that long table over there, just like in Christmas, sharing is caring, right? So there you go, guys. All the paellas are just the same. The only thing that it changes are the ingredients. When we go over there with chicken and pork, you guys go here with shrimp and calamari, and these guys go with leek over here, the vegetarian paellas, okay? So now, following the next, remember, kilometro zero from farm to table. One of the products that we love the most tonight, it is this amazing olive oil. Comes from Lleida. Lleida is a small city which is like about 100 miles from Barcelona, and you are going to be cooking with this olive oil tonight senseless. But as soon as you try this with some toast that we're gonna make for you, you're going to understand why we like it so much. Take a look to the color, the smell, the thickness. I want you guys to do the following. Swirl it for a little bit, warm it up with your hands, you smell it, and the smell is gorgeous. We like it so much that we call it olive oil number 5. That is because it's better than Chanel. There you go, darling, warm it up with your hands. So there you go, all the ingredients are from here, from Catalonia. We encourage you guys to keep this trend from farm to table, but also our philosophy tonight is the glass from Cava, is from the glass to the mouth of Cava, okay? Now, I'm gonna slip away, and it's all about this young fine man, John.
Hey guys, so I'm John.
Okay guys, say paella.
Paella!
One second.
Now with Brad Pitt, baby.
Now with Brad Pitt.
That is my voice still, baby.
So in the pan now, we seared some chicken that was coated with paprika, and then we removed them. Now we have some onions and garlic in our pan to saute for about a minute.
Did you add the garlic already in there? Excellent, sí, así me gusta.
Sí me gusta.
Next up, get a little bit of color. We'll turn it over, give a little bit more color to the other side. Then we're going to pick them up.
Now we added 4 kinds of mushrooms. They were first dehydrated, and then they hydrated it with some hot water.
Hey, John. The broth, the second.
The full recipe of the chicken paella we made is in the description box below, so check it out.
Oh, this funny dude. That is just for the show, because it doesn't bring no flavor at all. What it brings tons of flavor is blooming the spices. Blooming the spices means that we fry the spices, okay? And that is a technique that you can use in every single cooking, not just in paellas, but you can do it in your sauces, in your broths, in everything, in your stews. I'm gonna get a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna dump it in the center. Now, my dear, you're gonna get the spices, you're gonna dump it right in the middle, and with the spoon, you're gonna mix it up nice and easy. This is gonna be a team effort. There you go, dump it in the center. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, nice and easy. And now, wait, guys, for about 10 seconds, and you're gonna smell the beauty, the magic.
Oh, yes.
That is called blooming the spices. It's actually frying the spices. Now, you guys get closer and smell this for me. The reason why the veggie guys don't have the spices, neither spices nor garlic, is because they have truffle oil instead. Smell this for me, guys. Do you smell this? It's crazy. That you have to do with all the spices, okay? Now, my friend, mix them all together. Now you guys do the same thing over there. What you have, the red stuff is paprika, the yellow stuff is our saffron paella mix. There you go, guys.
Ah, saffron paella mix, interesting.
Hey, how are you?
I have you.
Very good to see you again. It's been a while.
It's been a
How's
while,
life?
I know. We spent the last 3 hours, but it's still been a while.
Yeah.
I know. You hosted such a wonderful dinner, so I wanted everybody to know a little bit about you, your partners, and the Paella Club. So why don't you...
Well, my name is Paellas. I'm from Barcelona, and I opened this business with my partner 4 years ago. And that is because we love what we do. And what we do is the following: cooking, eating, drinking, and music. This is the foundation of this business. So we came up with this idea, which is a cooking school where we actually make paellas, but we do also Indian cuisine, Italian, Mexican,
Oh, you do that?
Moroccan. We do cocktails, we do brunch classes, we do a lot. But of course,
Wow.
people come to Spain and to Barcelona because they want to share our culture, our food, our drinking. And so what we do these days is pretty much paellas all the time.
Okay.
But here and then we put a lot of other classes, like
Okay.
brunches, so Indian or Italian,
Interesting.
or cocktails.
We should come back for the Indian one. Oh, they would love it. What do you cook for the Indian one? Indian class?
Like tikka masala.
Tikki
and a bunch
marsala.
of
Oh,
other
please
things
say
I
that
don't
again.
remember now, tikka masala.
Can I teach you how to say it?
Yeah.
Tikka masala.
Tikka masala, that's what I said, right? Tikka masala. So the reason why we have this business over here is because we have from the very beginning the clarified idea that we have to come up with idea to make a business, but not just to make paellas, but also the people behind paella, the products behind paella, the geography behind paella. Because we follow a movement here called Kilometro Cero, which is like from farm to table, and what we do is the same thing. People come to Barcelona because they want to experience the paellas, the tapas, the cava, the sangria and things like this, and we offer all that, but we also offer the people behind all these products.
Yeah.
When you travel, the most beautiful thing when you travel is to soak up with the culture and the food and the people over there, you know? So we do the same thing. You come to this place, you learn how to make your own paella, but you learn everything about the products that we use. Everything comes from here, from Catalonia, and we want to increase that, and we want to provide that.
That's so nice because you talked about starting with the cava, then the salt, the olive oil, the tomato, everything. It's so nice because the way of the future is becoming more kilometro zero and even closer. I love this concept, and I also actually about 7 years ago I visited America, Los Angeles, and I went to a cooking class like this, but not paella. We just cooked a bunch of stuff, and then I was like, I love this environment where people from everywhere come together and they cook together and then they share a meal together. It's wonderful. And then the way you and your partners bring this alive with not just the food but then your own personalities, I absolutely love it. I mean, I had such a wonderful time. I've been to a few of these, but then to be honest, this is one of my favorite.
Thank you very much.
Tell me a little bit about the meal that you served us today, starting from the snack.
So what we have today is super typical, the pan tumaca, the tomato bread, pan con tomate, and the bread is from here, the tomato is from here, the olive oil is from here, the salt is also from here, and the second appetizer is gazpacho. from here from Catalonia. Now we go all the way to the south of Spain to bring the most popular appetizer down there, which is gazpacho. And after that, we go with a bunch of different paellas, different recipes. We go like five different recipes tonight. The black rice paella with the squid ink, vegetarian paella, meat paella. And after that, you guys are gonna have 2 desserts. Both of them from here from Catalonia, very traditional. So that's what we want to do here. We're gonna teach people what we do here and why we do it and how we do it.
Mucho corazón, no?
Yes, baby. There you go. It's all about the love.
It is, it is.
If you guys want to see your pretty faces all around the world, seen by 1 million viewers, click on.
Infinity Platter.
Infinity Platter! To Infinity Platter, guys.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
the direct, you know? When you go live, you Salud!
So guys, I had such a fun evening. I cooked a lot of paella, ate a lot of food, met a lot of lovely people. So now I'm going to continue having a good time. So I'm going to say cheers and I'll see you next week. Salud!